Today we're eating Guxe. I don't know what it's called in other languages. I think the pet is called it Thelele and the vendors call it Delele. She first boiled water with some tomatoes. Now she just added the Guxe. So it's actually my favorite veg. It looks slimy when it is ready, but it is so good. The best way to do it is on fire. Actually, the best way to cook anything is on fire. So it forms up like this when we're cooking it. That's because we've put baking soda, like bicarbonate of soda. So that helps it kind of like tenderizes the leaves. With the telele, we mixed it with okra leaves. So guys, this is how the plant looks like, the telele. So comment down below if you have it in your culture and let us know what you call it. And the okra leaves are these ones down here. So they're all slimy, but they're yummy. Slimy yummy. Slimy yummies. So there's like few of these trees around here. There's another species of telele. Here it is. So this one is very common here in Bushbuck Ridge. And the other one, this one I just showed you now, they say that it's from Mozambique, but it grows everywhere. You can say it's a weed. It's a really good weed. So guys, this is how our guxe looks like. So I'm gonna give it a taste because I haven't had guxe in a very long time. No. Ananzike mo. Mm. Mm. Yum yum.